Hello students, welcome you all to this video. I am Pratima. Today we'll learn how to write recurring decimals in P by Q form. It is a small concept but it is a confusing concept. Let us proceed. First I have taken a very simple recurring decimal 0.3 bar in the form of P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. So we have to write in the form P by Q, and you know the meaning of bar. If you don't know, then let us discuss. That means 3 is repeated. So we'll call it X. So what is X? X is 0.3333. Any times you can write, but put a dot because it is non-terminating. Now I'll multiply 10 to it. When I'll multiply 10 to it, so decimal will shift to 1 place right. So it will become 3.3333. 3.333 again continued. So I'll subtract x from 10x. So when I'll subtract this 10x minus x, what will happen? All the decimal parts will be cancelled. 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 3 minus 3, 0. So all the digits after the decimal, it will be 0. So how much it will be left? It will be left only 3 minus 0, that will be 3. So I'll get 9x is equal to 3. Then what will be x? X is equal to 1 by 3. So 0.3 bar can be written as 1 by 3. So what is 0.3 bar? It is 1 by 3. Coming to next, 0.27 and with bar on 2 digits. So that means 2727s are repeated here. Let us call it is x. So I'll write 0.27 bar is same as your 0.27272727, so on. So here when there are 2 digits are repeated, I'll multiply 100 with x. Then I'll write x, I'll subtract again, same procedure. How much I'll get? I'll get 99x in the left side, and you will see that all the decimal part will be 0. So it will be 27 minus 0. So 99x is equal to 27. So what will be x? What will be x? X will be 27 by 99. Make it lowest. You can cancel with 3. So it will be, you will cancel with 9 also. It will be 3 by 11. So 0.27 bar is 3 by 11. Express 0.27. Here just I changed a pattern in the form of P by Q. You see that 2 and there is a overhead bar on 7. That means here 2 is not repeated, 7 is repeated. So what will be x? X will be 0.27777, not 27. So mark it very carefully. So when this type of recurring decimals will be there, so I'll multiply again 10 with it, so that decimal will shift after 2 and 7777 will be decimal part. So x is equal to 0.2777 is repeated. Here, if I want only the decimal part will be 777. So I'll first multiply 100, then I'll multiply 10. So it 100x will be 27.7777. Next I'll multiply 10 in x. So 10x will be 2.777. Why I am doing so? I am making the decimal parts equal so that when I'll subtract, they will vanish, decimal part will be 0. So now I'll subtract 100x minus 10x. It will be how much? 90x. 90x will be 25. 27 minus 2, 25. You can write in the copy. You can pause the video, then you will understand better. So how much is x? X is 25 by 90. You can make it lowest. So it will be 5 by 18. So 0.27 bar is equal to 5 by 18. Next, 1.27 bar. If it will be 1 point or it will be 2 point, recurring decimal will be there. With it, there will be a whole number 2, 3, 4. No problem. You keep the whole part separate. Only do the recurring part as we did. So x is equal to 1.2772727. I'll multiply as we have did same way. It will be 100x will be 127.2727. Then x is equal to 1.27 as it was. Subtract. It will be 99x. 127 minus 1 will be 126. So x is equal to 126 by 99. That is same as 14 by 11, same as 1 whole and 3 by 11. We can do the same thing. You convert 27 bar, 0.27 bar, it was 3 by 11, put a 1 whole. Or we can write directly 1.27 bar in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers. So first we know that 0.27 bar is 3 by 11 and we have converted. Now it is 1 whole, keep separate, just put 1 before this rational. So it will be 1.27 bar is equal to 1 whole, 3 by 11. It will be 14 by 11. If it will be 2.27 bar, it will be 2 whole, 3 by 11. Next is express 0.235 bar is on 3 digits. That means all the 3's are repeated. 235, 235, so on. You have to convert into p by q. So let it be x. Then 0.23 bar will be 0.235, 235, 235, 235. Now here there are 3 digits repeated, so I'll multiply by 1000. I'll take 1000x. X is this. 1000x is 235.235, 235, 235, so on. So now if we subtract, I'll subtract x. So it will be 235, 235, 235. Subtract. How much I'll get? I'll get 999. It will be 999x. So all the decimal part will be gone. 235 only will be there. So what is x now? X is 235 by 999. You can make it lowest if possible. Not possible, then leave it. So next is, see very minutely, the bar is on 2 digits and 1 is free. That means here 35 is repeated. 35 is repeated. 35, 35. So here what to do? So first, when there are 3 digits after the decimal, I'll multiply 1000. Then 2 digit have bar, so I'll multiply a 10, so that it will be 2 points. And 3535 will be repeated. Let us see. So x is 0.2353535. I'll multiply with 1000. So it will be 235.3535. Next I'll multiply 10. It will be 2.353535. So get it again. First we will multiply 1000 as there are 3 digits, and you will multiply 10 because I will shift the decimal to the recurring. Recurring starts from 335, so I will multiply 10 so that it will be 2 point and 35 will be repeated. Then subtract. It will be 990x, and it will be 235 minus 2. All the decimal part will go. So 235 minus 2 is 233. So what will be x? X will be 233 by 990. I hope you understood. You can write all the steps, then you will understand better. Next, here there is bar on 1 only. Now I hope you have developed a thinking how to do it. So there are 3 decimals, 3 digits after the decimal. So I'll multiply by 1000. Next is bar or recurring starts from after 2 places. So I multiply by 100. So once by 1000, once by 100. Here 5 is repeated. So I'll write x. Then I'll write 1000x is equal to 2355555. I'll multiply 100. It will be 23.5555. Subtract. It will be 900. And here you will subtract 235 and 23. How much you are getting? 212. So what is the x? X is 212 by 900. Can it made lowest? Think of if it can be, do it or leave it. So now it is for your practice. Express 0.13 bar, 0.23 bar, 0.1 only bar on 6 in the form of P by Q, and practice and write in comment section whether you are able to do or not. Thank you for watching, and share the video so that other your friends can learn, and subscribe the video. Thank you for watching. So watch the video. Next we'll go for operation on irrational numbers. So subscribe the video, you can share so that you can see again and again. Thank you and have a nice day.